It's those birds I was talking about. Of course, now that I'm trying to tape them, they're being quiet. You could hear them till that car came by, making some tropical rainforest sounds and stuff. But it has been raining lately, but still. Those birds were really loud. A crow and some other kind of weird sounding bird that I never heard before. It sounded like some type of rainforest bird. You could hear it right after the crow earlier, before that car drove by. I'm just waiting now to hear them. I don't think they're going to do it again, though.